Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to embed a YouTube video on Framer. All right, so let's begin with the video. So let's say we want to add a YouTube video to this Framer project right here. I'm just going to go ahead and actually delete this because we're going to insert a video instead. I'm going to go to the top left where it says Insert, then come down to where it says Media under the Elements section, and click on where it says YouTube. Now we have this YouTube component here, and if I go ahead and drag it, let's place it right where we want. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so that it takes up more of the screen. Now for the video, we want to change this to be our YouTube video. What we can do is click on it, come over to the sidebar right here, and scroll down until we see the YouTube section. For the video, we're going to remove the current YouTube video, and I'm just going to add one of my videos as an example. You can either copy the URL from the address bar at the top, or you can click on Share, then click on Copy and paste that YouTube URL like so. Now you can choose to have it either autoplay, play on loop, or disable autoplay altogether. I'll just keep autoplay off. For the thumbnail quality, you can choose high quality, medium, lower, or off. I'll choose the high quality option. You may want to choose a lower quality if you want to improve the performance and load times for your Framer website, but I'm going to keep it high quality for now. Now let's go ahead and actually preview our website by clicking on the play button at the top right. Now we can see we have our page here with the embedded YouTube video. If I click on it, it's going to start playing that YouTube video. So that's basically how you can embed a YouTube video on Framer. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.